Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate ganache for macarons only ways. Heat 60 ml heavy cream until steaming, pour over 120 g chopped chocolate, let sit 2 minutes, then stir gently until glossy. Add 10 g butter for shine and cool to piping consistency. Chill briefly if needed, then transfer to a piping bag and fill macarons, working with shells at room temperature and avoiding overmixing. Measure by weight for reliable ganache every time, and choose your cream to chocolate ratio based on desired firmness. For macarons, a slightly firmer ganache holds shape better between delicate shells. Heat cream until just steaming, not boiling, pour over chopped chocolate, then let rest to melt before stirring. Stir gently from the center until emulsified, and finish with a small amount of butter or liqueur to enhance gloss and flavor. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more baking tips. Quick recommendation: I love using the Kindle Paperwhite to read recipes hands-free while I bake. It makes following steps simple and mess-free, especially when hands are covered in batter. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one if you want. Now let's get back to the video. Cool ganache to a controllable, pipeable temperature so it holds shape without being too stiff. Use a 3.5 cm round tip and pipe, a small ring, then fill the center to prevent overflow when shells meet. Work with macaron shells at room temperature and avoid overfilling to keep edges tidy. Store assembled macarons in an airtight container in the refrigerator for 24 hours to let flavors marry and texture settle before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.